Hi everyone. So I have an 8x16 with some leftover Dutch pour paints, and I'm just going to do a quick little Dutch pour on this. I should not use that word quick, right? So I'm going to do some Galaxy Blue, some Sleeping Beauty Turquoise, a little bit of Morning Pansy, and some gold, and then I'm going to go around that with some white, and we're going to blow that out. So these are all the Praj Posse paints that I have available. For more information, just email me at christinawelchart@yahoo.com. So let's try blowing this out and see what we get. I'm going to turn my hairdryer on, so you might want to mute your volume for a minute. So I see a lot of things that I would want to touch up because I have so much color on there. I blew it just a little bit too much, but we can fix some things. Bring out some more of that color. I like my ends wispy. Need to bring some color here. Need a little bit of white for that to flow on. So I'm going to bring that way in. Just blowing some of that white off of there. Lots of color there. It's a little too dark right there. Well, I'm going to leave it alone though, because I think it's really pretty. And it's starting to fill up from the gold. So subscribe while you're here if you haven't already. Click on that bell for notifications. You'll get a little notification when we upload another video. Click like and share. Leave me a comment. Join us on Facebook at the Praj Posse for more information about paints and upcoming events. Also check out my Christina Welch Art page. We do post a lot of upcoming events on there as well. And of course our daily video goes up on both pages every day. And check out all the links below for the airbrush, the hairdryer, all kinds of goodies, the torch, everything's on there in my Amazon shop, our Etsy shop if you're interested in purchasing the jars of paint. We have ready to pour and we have jars that you can mix yourself. These are all custom colors. You won't be able to get these anywhere else. I took a lot of time and research picking the best colors to blend together to make these beautiful colors. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.